What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we got a real estimate on the Ram 1500 Rebel. Shocker, it's not $8,000. That's right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to get into the Rebel. I know you guys are going, wait, he's hands-free on the car. We're good. Relax. We're straight. We're going to get into the estimate on the 2021 Dodge Ram Rebel 1500. And shocker, it's not $8,000. Now, major shout out to Crown Dodge. I truly appreciate them. They came back with an estimate. Now, it has been submitted to USAA, so I'm sure I'll hear back from the management team at some point on what they think about that. But the estimate, you know, some of you guys were saying 30. I thought it was going to be high 20s, like 28, 29. I still think it's going to be high 20s, low 30s to get it back to where it was factory specs. Oh shit, there's an accident over here. Let me downshift real quick. Y'all like that sound? I do too. I love it. Oh, so good. So good. All right, so the estimate, because I know you guys are waiting for a number, the estimate that came back was a little bit under 18,000, high 17,000. All right, so it's like 17,800 and something. Obviously, almost $10,000 more than these jackasses at Caliber Collision. I keep saying Collision Works because I am that aggravated about what that shop did to my car. But that's what Caliber Collision was off by in Fayetteville, North Carolina. This is why I said don't mess with Mickey Mouse shops. We don't like Mickey Mouse shops. Avoid Mickey Mouse shops like they're the goddamn plague, okay? And Caliber can say, hey, we're not a Mickey Mouse shop. Well, whoever wrote that first estimate was a retard, all right? Now, Crown made it clear that the estimate is probably going to go up, which I know for sure it's going to go up as they continue doing what they're doing, whether they have to cut that section of the cab out or whatever they're going to do to weld in a new piece and get it all nice and clean. I'm guessing they're going to cut. I hope they cut and weld. I hope they're not just going to pull it out and body fill it. You know, 2021 truck shouldn't be full of Bondo. But we know they got to replace the bed. They got to spray in the bed liner or, you know, pay back for the bed liner. They got to put the other cover on the other bed or replace it. What else? We got to make sure that the mirrors and all that stuff and all the parts match and are correct, and the internal stuff and the door is not broken. That's where I think the estimate is going to go up. I think the motor, because the windows don't go down, so I think the components in the door are broken, and that's going to make the price go up. But I think probably worst case scenario, you know, I was thinking 28, 29, but it may be closer to like 25,000. And at that point, I don't know what USAA is going to do. I'm going to meet with the manager in person when they look at the Challenger and see what they decide that they want to do with not just the car but the truck. So we'll see what happens. I mean, we already know what's going on with this. It's going to go to a Gerber facility somewhere around Fayetteville, and you know, one of their better shops, and they're going to tighten the car up. And hopefully, you know, I need to reach out to the USAA rep and see the manager and see if they can just go ahead and start ordering the seat covers. And like, let's get the panels and stuff in. Let's get the stuff in that we need, so that, you know, like, you can assemble my car, tighten up my paint, and we're not waiting a month on parts. That's the thing. So we'll see what happens, man. But I know you guys were asking about it. You wanted to know what the estimate, you know, when we got the final estimate in, and this is the estimate that they're submitting. You know, obviously when they get to work, it could be more. They did not include the differential, which I know is going to have to be replaced or serviced because they towed that damn truck in 4-wheel drive. I know it's jacked up. So they're going to have to replace that. I know that's going to be a couple $1,000, man. I know it is. So between that, they're replacing 2 rims. I think they're going to replace all the tires. I don't think you can just replace 2, but maybe they just replace 2 tires and 2 rims and the bodies, panels on the front. You know, reskin the doors if they're able to fix the internals on the doors. Reskin the doors, replace the bed, you know, put it back together, and then it might be okay. And if it is, you know, fine. I'm good with it. We'll see what happens. But that's what's going on with it, guys. I wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know what the status was. What with it, like I said, as Crown made it very clear to us that as they get into the repair, you know, the price can go up and up, and as it goes up, we get closer to that possibly getting totaled. And what I've learned is it really doesn't even have to be 75% damaged before they total it. If they get anywhere close to salvage value on it, they total it, and they run it through the auction. So we could end up seeing the Ram at Dunn or Lumberton at Copart. It's possible. And I know you guys are going to ask me, you know, if they do total it and it goes to Copart, are you going to buy it back? Hell no. Hell no. Look, man, you guys know, you guys have seen, like, the Volkswagen is the most damaged vehicle I think I bought, and it's been sitting for a reason. 1, because I haven't been home, and 2, that shit is way outside of my league, man. I don't do body work like that. Let me tell you the kind of cars that I buy from the auction. They have, like, smashed in fenders, or cars like Slimepack_392's car. It's all bolt-on shit, you know, or something that's a simple weld to put in a core support or something. I'm not doing all of this, like, pull this shit, cut this, put another. Nah, man, that's not me. I never said that was me. I don't rebuild cars that way. You know, maybe if I learned it later down the road, or I end up partnering with somebody later, and, you know, we rebuild the car that way from scratch, then so be it. But right now, nah, that Ram is too far gone for me. I'm not, you know, that's not something I would touch or mess with. Now this, oh yeah. Yeah, if they look at my A-pillar and they tell me it's damaged or something when it goes in and they're going to total this, oh no. This car, the minute it touches Copart or IAA, give me the car. Because I know what I got into it. I know what the motor's worth. You know, all the forged internals and all that shit. Like, this car is not stock, you know. So it's got what, $15,000 in engine upgrades. No. So, anywho's, we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. I wanted to give you guys apprised and give you guys a heads up on what was up, and just kind of shoot the shit with you guys while I'm stuck in traffic. And now you guys know. You guys know what the deal is with the Ram Rebel 1500. You have the estimate. We have a premiere coming up here with a Copart walk around. We haven't done one of those in a little bit, so that'll be interesting. And hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. Thank you guys very much for watching. Go check out our sponsors in the links in the description down below. Ridge Wallet, ridge.com/TK Tim. Did I just hit myself? I just hit myself right in the mouth. I just shot my pinky ring off. What a day. I know y'all be like, TK gonna go digging for this while he's driving. No, I would never do I would never do that. That wouldn't be safe. Not in this bumper-to-bumper traffic. Nah, we're going to get out of here. I know you're going to be like, as soon as he cut the video off, he's going to be digging for this ring. Look, man, when the ring is worth like half the price of your car, yeah, I'm going to go digging for this ring. Anyways, let me get out of here. Go check out our sponsors below, ridge.com/TK's Garage. Mint Mobile, which right now, if you guys want to try the service, you can try it 100% for free. They will send you a SIM card and everything, and you can find out if it works for you or it don't work for you. So go tap in with them. I appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.